You know, we've been hearing a lot about this, people pouring water on their heads, a lot of ice cold water being poured on their heads. I would like to issue one more challenge today. I would like to issue the Holy Water Challenge. What I would like for you to do is to invite each of your neighbors, your friends, your loved ones to come to church. If they don't come to church already, invite them to come to church. Or, as I would like to refer to it, is plant a seed challenge. Plant a seed. Invite your neighbors to come to church. If you don't come to church, come to church. And if you're in Greenfield, we'd love for you to come to Holy Spirit. If you're in Indianapolis, we'd love for you to come to St. Margaret's. But whether you come to my church or your church or somebody else's church, make a point to come to church. Come to church and honor God. Take the Holy Water Challenge. Thank you.